Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Windows. Enable virtualization in BIOS so Hyper-V or WSL2 can run, because containers need a lightweight VM. Once done, install WSL2 and set it as the default, since Docker Desktop uses WSL2 backend for better performance. Make sure you choose the Docker Desktop build for Windows 10 and run the installer as admin. This creates the Docker context, integrates with WSL, and adds the Docker CLI to your path, so you can start with Docker commands immediately. Once Docker Desktop is installed, open Settings and confirm WSL2 backend is selected. Allocate CPU and memory conservatively because Windows and containers share resources. Next, test by pulling and running a simple image. Docker run DP 8080, 80 name Web Engine X. This shows how ports map and how containers run detached. Then, learn to inspect. Docker PS lists active containers, Docker logs gives output, and Docker exec, it gets you a shell inside. These tools let you iterate quickly. To finish, make container work persistent. Mount volumes or bind host folders so data survives container restarts, and write Docker files plus a Docker compose. IML to define multi-container stacks reproducibly. Once you launch with Docker Compose up D, monitor containers and iterate on images. If something goes wrong, first restart Docker Desktop and ensure WSL is running. Check Docker info and Docker Desktop logs for errors. If networking or mounts fail, make sure file sharing and resource limits are set correctly in settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.